How to use Breakthru in Chrome. After navigating to the play.breakthru.me tab and logging in, you'll see the orb. First, choose how you want to feel. Energized, centered, joyful, confident, or take a breathing break. You can also choose from 4 soundscapes to play in the background while you work or study. Simply click the soundscape you'd like to listen to and then go on about your work. When you're ready to turn it off, you can come back and click again. Set a breakthrough reminder to have Breakthru nudge you in the direction of a movement microbreak. Simply click Reminders at the top above the orb. Within the Reminder tab, you can use the play card to start your day, end your day, take a midday break, or set an hourly reminder. You can also choose to set a custom breakthrough reminder. Simply choose the time and dates that you would like your reminder to come. Changing your reminders are as simple as clicking the trash can next to your reminder and then setting a new one. To see your breakthrough streaks, simply click the Streaks tab above the orb, and you can see the streaks you've won and have yet to win. Lastly, try clicking the History tab to get to your history, where you can see how many breaks you've taken overall, how many you've taken this month, and even how many you've taken this week. See the mood states below that correspond to which mood you've taken. And that's it. Now you're ready to start taking movement micro breaks in the flow of your day.